Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You have to act now. Confirm your AdSense account shows earnings above the PIN threshold, usually $10. Once done, make sure your postal address in payments matches your government ID exactly. Formatting matters. Next, request the PIN from the payments page. Press Request to trigger mail dispatch. You should expect mail in 2-4 weeks, depending on your country. Keep your account unlocked and check for address typos. If you change address, update it immediately before the PIN ships. Once the mail arrives, carefully open the envelope and compare each digit to the entry field in your AdSense Payments Center. You must enter numbers exactly as shown. Copying errors lock attempts. If the PIN doesn't match, double-check handwriting or smudges. Mistakes in reading cause failures. Enter the PIN within the AdSense interface and submit. The system verifies instantly. If verification fails, you have limited retries, so pause and reconfirm the digits before each attempt. To finish, once your PIN verifies, your account will move past the address hold and payments proceed. Congratulations! If you never receive mail, request a replacement PIN after the minimum wait. AdSense limits replacements. If you exceed PIN attempts, you must submit official address verification documents, utility bill or government ID, to complete verification. As a troubleshooting tip, if mail is unreliable, prepare scanned proof of address ahead of time. It speeds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.